Thinking about giving your garage a glow up? Let's talk epoxy garage floor cost, because shiny concrete doesn't have to break the bank. Now, before you panic over pricing, here's the scoop. Costs range from $3 to $12 per square foot, depending on your garage size, the prep work needed, and whether you go DIY or call in the pros. Pro tip. Pros, fewer regrets. But wait, Lifetime Green Coatings takes things up a notch. Their self-leveling, non-toxic floor system doesn't just look amazing. It lasts longer, resists cracks, and doesn't smell like a chemistry lab. For a two-car garage, your costs can vary. But it's not just a garage. It's your new parking palace, workshop, or man cave with a flawless floor. Want even more value? Bundle with a basement or patio coating and boom. Instant home upgrade. Bottom line, invest smart, skip the peeling epoxy, and get a floor that works and wows. Ready to level up? Go grab that free estimate.